Organic solvent poisoning during replacement of interior materials inside an elevator. Accident or disaster situation. This is an example of an accident involving organic solvent poisoning. Work was being performed to replace the interior DNOC sheet inside an elevator car. When the worker who came to provide backup in the afternoon for work on the 8th floor opened the elevator door because it was closed, B discovered the victim had collapsed inside. Work was being performed to replace the interior DNOC sheet inside an elevator car. When the worker who came to provide backup in the afternoon for work on the 8th floor opened the elevator door because it was closed, B discovered the victim had collapsed inside. The causes of the accident. There were no work plan and work procedures. The work was performed using organic solvent with the door inside the elevator closed. There was no ventilation equipment, so there was no ventilation. The victim was also not using a gas mask. Measures to prevent accidents. Create a work plan and work procedures. Confirm the work procedure. Form a two-person team for the work with one person working inside and one person stationed as a lookout to ensure ventilation. Prohibition of entry. And strict prohibition on open flames. Install ventilation equipment for work that uses organic solvents and ensure the proper use of protective equipment. Educate workers on safety measures for toxic gases, such as hydrogen sulfide and oxygen deficiency.